Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can password protect your Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. Simply open Chrome, click on these three dots, go to extensions and click on visit Chrome web store. In the search box, search for Chrome password and click on this icon. And from here click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now set the password and click on save. Your Google Chrome browser will shut down. Now whenever you open it, it will prompt you to enter the password. Simply enter the password and click on enter. You will gain access to Chrome again. Now if you want to remove this, simply click on these three dots, go to extensions and click on manage extension and simply remove it. That's it. It will not ask for password again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.